Welcome to all ME2I students for Mechanical Engineering Workshop lecture. We have already seen the two parts of the fitting shop. Now we'll just have a look upon the measuring instruments which we are using here in the fitting shop, which are very important. Myself, Professor Sindhu Devi, working as a lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department. Here is the vernier caliper. They have given the constructions of the vernier caliper, that are parts that are attached to the vernier caliper. Here we have seen the main scale, which is fixed, having the fixed jaw, and here is a movable jaw that is fixed to the main scale with the help of the lock nuts. This is fine adjustment. A vernier scale is here given. This is the main scale. This is a reading of the vernier scale with respect to the main scale. Here is the vernier height gauge. They are given the construction. This is the base. This is the beam. On the beam, which is fixed, there is a movable slider. They are given. Here the vernier scale they are given. It is moving in the vertical direction. They are given the scriber. Here is the measuring jaw, by which we can find the height of the jaw very accurately. Here is the vernier depth gauge to measure the depth of the work pieces. Here is the work. You are given the section. In the section, this is the depth of the work, how much it is penetrated is seen. Here is the slide, vernier slide gauge. Here is the fine arrangement screw. This is the beam. They are given the screws. We can measure the depth of the job. Here is the gear tooth vernier, which we can help. We can measure the thickness of the gear tooth, depth. Now we see the micrometer. Micrometer is a precision tool used to measure up to an accuracy of 0.01 mm. Used to measure outside diameter, inside diameter, and thickness of the object. Types of the micrometers are outside micrometers, inside micrometer, and depth micrometer. Inside micrometer. Here is the distance measured by the inside micrometer. They are given the spindle, the thimble, and all such arrangements. The depth micrometer to measure this. This is the spindle which measures the depth. Head, sleeve, ratchet. This is the distance measured by the spindle of that workpiece. Okay, thank you.